Hi everyone! After a week off, we are back in my kitchen today to make a delicious treat. We are going to make Sfingi.
What's Sfingi? Sfingi is Italian donut.
Sfingi is an Italian-style donut.
We love donuts.
We do love donuts in this house.
Comment down below, please, if you like donuts or not.
Absolutely. We want to hear from you too, so make sure you comment if you like donuts or not. Let's get started with our Italian donuts today.
Ooh, yay!
Yay!
Can I tell you something?
What are you going to tell our folks?
If you like that's okay.
It is. So we're going to start with half a pound of ricotta cheese.
Here we go.
Here we go. And I already have my scale measured or calibrated so that we know when we've got about half a pound. Let's see.
Folks, if you want to dump some meat different, that's okay.
There we go. There's about half a
Like
pound.
Mom.
Well, we're going to use that to add in our flour.
Flour?
Hang on a second. Okay? So we're going to put this up. This is our kitchen scale.
That's a kitchen scale.
Our kitchen scale is how we measure things. Normally we measure it, hang on, in cups, right? Michael, please don't. We normally measure it with cups, but today we're going to do it with a kitchen scale. So we want a quarter of a pound of flour, so a little bit more than that, but not too much. It was about right. A little bit more. Perfect. Who's going to dump it in our bowl? You can do the next one, okay, Helen? The next thing we need is 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. So we are done with our scale.
We can go back and forth.
We can go back and forth. There's 1.
I get to do 2.
Well, we're going to do a half a tablespoon, okay?
Ooh, so I get to do a lot. Is it going to be 9?
And then you can help me mix, okay, Michael?
Oh.
Mix it all up.
Hey, Mom, could I mix it? Can I mix some and you can mix some, Michael?
Well, hang on, because first we need 3 eggs.
Good thing our chickens make eggs.
Our chickens do make eggs, don't they?
So we just have them fresh right out of the chicken coop.
Yes, but store-bought eggs will work too, won't they?
Yes.
There we go. There's our 3 eggs.
Mommy,
Yes, Helen.
can we help stir? Can both of us help?
I think you can absolutely both help stir today.
I'm good at stirring.
You guys are both good. Each take a fork, and you guys can start stirring that up.
Together.
And while we've been getting this already, I have my oil heating in the pan, because that's how we are going to deep fry this Sfingi. Mix it all up nice and good, guys.
Then get all the egg under it.
So
make sure it looks all mixed up.
Make sure it's all mixed up, absolutely. Need some help?
No way. No way, Jose.
No way, Jose. You guys are doing a fantastic job mixing this up.
Ew.
Can I do a little?
This doesn't look like a donut.
Well, it's got to get all mixed up first.
Yuck!
Lick it off.
Yuck, I don't want to. I'll try some. Yes.
Okay. Well, we've got to bake it all together. You're okay. With a paper towel, of course.
Of course, you have to use paper towel.
So we've got it all mixed up
Mommy,
together
I want to do some.
so that it kind of looks like dough, right?
Yeah.
Does it look like a dough?
That kind of does. It kind of looks like frosting.
Like frosting? Oh, that would be an interesting dough. So I'm going to take just a little bit and test the heat of my oil. And it's perfect. I see the bubbles coming off of it. So I'm going to take a full tablespoon and put it in there. And I'm going to do 2 so that Helen can have one and Michael can have one. And we're going to let it go in there, and it's bubbling all around. It's floating to the top. And as it floats, I'm going to turn it so that it gets brown on both sides. We're going to let it
want, you can play the spoon forever.
You're going to play the spoons all day long?
Yeah, play now.
Go for it. That's enough. Thank you. I think that was a fantastic musical interlude.
Like on me. Okay, here's the next instrument.
Okay, these are ready to come out.
Ready? Yep.
Ready?
But here's
So,
the next
I take my slotted spoon, and you can see it's nice and golden brown, and I'm going to put it in some sugar. I'm going to take the other couple of ones that are in there, and we're going to mix it around in the sugar. Can you take the spoon, Helen, and mix the sugar up on it?
No.
And then, Michael, you're going to take it out of there.
Ew.
That looks good. So, Michael, can you take it out and put it on here?
Oh. Oh.
Take the spoon. Perfect. Helen, you can do it. Perfect. Take one more out.
That huge one.
The huge one? Who's going to have the huge one?
Daddy will.
Daddy will? What about you guys?
Maybe we'll have small ones.
You're going to have the small ones?
Because I'm guessing I had 10 helpings of goldfish.
Oh, that's a lot of helpings of goldfish. Well,
Hey, I didn't eat a lot of lunch. Oh, Mommy.
here's a little one for you guys to taste, okay? What do you think?
This needs to dry a little.
It needs to cool off a little. They are toasty warm still. Absolutely. But that's how you make Sfingi, a delicious Italian donut for everybody to enjoy. You're just eating plain sugar right now because clearly what we need is more energy in this house. Thank you guys for joining us today.
Come back here.
Thank you guys for joining us today. It was wonderful to have you in my kitchen like always. I hope you enjoyed the antics of my children today, and we will see you guys again real soon. Can you guys say goodbye?
Bye.